Video, I'm going to show you how to make the viral sweet potato, and it's good for a snack, good for a main dish. It's going to be sweet with a little bit of rosemary and thyme. It's going to have salt and pepper on. It's going to caramelize, and it's going to be beautiful. So be part of the community, subscribe, and also let's get cooking. So for this dish, you're going to need some good herb oil, and the link's in the bio how to make this. You're going to need some sweet potato, a little bit of thyme, and a little bit of honey. You can add the honey, take it away, add cinnamon, add spices. You can do it completely different. It's completely up to you on how you do it, but just take the basic recipe and tweak it to how you like it. This is a really good snack. So let's go. So the first bit of this recipe, the first step, is you need to cut the potato in half. Now I'm using the medium sized ones. I'm not going to use the large ones because I want them to be a little bit of a snack. So this is why I'm using the medium sized ones. You just want to cut them all in half. So the next step is you want to get a bowl and you want to put your sweet potato in the bowl. There we are. So we've got all the sweet potato in the bowl. You want to get a good olive oil, herb oil, it's completely up to you, and just cover that sweet potato. I'm going to give it a good mix round so that oil's all over the sweet potato. Really give it a good massage. And you can smell that oil, it's lovely. It's got thyme, a little bit of garlic in, a little bit of rosemary in. Beautiful. Then you want to get salt all over. Pepper. I'm going to get that in as well. All over. So give it a really good season. Make sure it's fully seasoned up. Then give it a little toss. The sweet potato, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, a little bit of thyme. So the next step is you want to line your air fryer tray. You may have baskets, just line that with a bit of greaseproof paper, and that's the best way. So the next step after that is we're going to lay the sweet potato that side down on the greaseproof paper, and just do it all along. Set them out evenly. There we are. Got the one more there. There we are. There we are. So we've got the sweet potato on a tray with salt and pepper, with the oil, and it's ready to go in the air fryer. So we put them straight in the air fryer on the middle shelf. We're going to do them on 180. We're going to caramelize them up lovely, and then just keep your eye on them. This is the finished sweet potato. You can see the lovely shine on it and glaze, and it's caramelized beautifully. You can have this as a snack or a main meal. You can put it in the fridge and have it later. Try this today. Try this viral sweet potato, because it's simple and easy to do in the air fryer. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the cooking community, and also comment below if you would love these sweet potatoes. Take care.